Won't you ring your hammer?
When people are coming here to the Gullah Geechee Nation and things like that, everybody want to know if everybody here the sow these just sweet grass basket and things like that. We done honor. We chillin'. We still a whole upon this here. Plenty did it in a Mount Pleasant, Selmore, Eatmore, Hamlin, and all that kind of rest of place there. I still hold upon this here tradition. So now, South Kakalaki done honor this year, not only with a marker, but also with a bill. This year, the official craft of the state of South Kakalaki. Then children know where it go through for going out Jonah, for pull this your grass, for take that color and thing like a wee ella, very man ago, and bring the color into the basket. She the onlyest one out of all the sweetgrass maker what pattern this year making color sweetgrass basket. Oh, but just like the other rest of children now, it can go on and make them from the sweet grass and the long-leaf pine needle. And rather was, them bulrush were coming in from that quick show and thing like that. Yeah, and you know, we have to use them old bottle boat, just like that old man, like a couple of greeting, still a going and bottle and still a sewing net. And then rather was, and rather asking them, the going out Jonah to the creek for cars. People don't know, say, all that sewing going in the basket, they're sewing going into the net too, so that we can cast them out, make that circle for drawing the culture and hold upon the craft. But see, the hand and thing tell the story as the stitching everything together, just like a we quilting thing. Where if wanna get one then, truly, wanna go and have it warm or who we be. Right here in this your land of the Gullah Geechee, because it tell the story of the family from one generation to another. That with them cotton and indigo been going in, but we hold in, we stole heavy stitch. And then we going back to have water or be baptized, singing that spiritual, which now the South Kakalaki official music and the music of the Gullah Geechee Nation, where we the going into the church and thing, the shout so. Sing up and thing like that. Oh, but that suckle come right on back in the hand, in the foot. We're 100 children to get it and children. For true, a shout like a wee ancestor been to do. All of these are we tradition. So don't just come looking for the basket, but come shout with we and be part of the suckle of who we to be right here in this nation of the Gullah Geechee.